Point. Hey, she's alive. Yes, ma'am. Beautiful. Next. We made it to Mexico. Oh, Lord. I like it, though. You can do that. Just scoot this one, maybe a little bit more here, and then scoot that middle one back just like a smidge. Right there. Perfect. All right, here we go. You got this. Go a little bit faster. Yes! You did it. One more time. Look, and you know what? I don't blame you, because you two, I guarantee you two are going to be tumbling together in a routine, and you guys are going to think, oh, remember the cones? Gee, you don't have to worry about me hitting you. And you're like, yeah, I'm not going to hit you. We practiced this. So I love it. Do it again. Let's see. Ooh, that's close. Oh, you were making it. We made it all the way to Mexico, and then you were like, no, we're going to turn around and go back home. No, do it again one more time. Oh, she is. Oh, she is. Let's go. One more each. Because then we're getting the handsprings. Huh? Watch your hand. Fire. Fire. She just hit the pause button. Your left hand was like this. I said, watch your hand. You said, pause, and brought it back. Do it again. Love the body control. Left hand straight. Yep. Here. Point that back toe.